This is the prepaid energy meter system. Here first we have energy meter which generate pulse. So generally 30,000 pulse is equal to 1 unit, but for demo purpose we have taken it as 10 pulse equal to 1 unit. So these pulses are given to a triac board using which we are driving our electric load. So here we have considered this bulb or CFL light as a electrical load. This is a microcontroller which is an 8051 based microcontroller. So this is Atmel 89S52 microcontroller interface with 16x2 graphical LCD. So because of the power cut, if the system goes down, then the available balance is stored in this memory. So this is our EEPROM memory which is interfaced with 8051 controller. So for recharging the system, we have taken a RFID module. So whenever we have to recharge, we have to show the prepaid energy meter card against this. Coming to the operation, we have supplied 230 volt supply for this electrical load, and we have derived 5 volt supply for the microcontroller operation and 12 volt supply for the operation of RFID. So as we switch on the load, the system will display initial data. So as you can see on the startup, you can see the 2 units and 0 pulse count are available as a balance, and the bulb is on. As you go on, you can see the count is increasing. So as the count will increase to 10, a 1 unit balance will be deducted. So in this way we have taken 10 count equal to 1 pulse. So wait till the count reaches to 10. If we change the load, then the speed at which the counts are increasing will differ as per the consumption of energy by the electrical load. So now the count is 9 and the number of units are 2. So as it will increase further, units will decrease to 1. So this shows how the energy count is captured. Now if you want to recharge, then we have to press this switch and show this RFID card against this reader. So this is a card using which we can recharge the system. So as you press this switch, the bulb will turn off and it will ask for your your RFID card. So as we tag it, it will recharge itself. Thank you.